Hello everyone, welcome to Gizmochina. I'm Kieran. Redmi's Note 9 series in China was accompanied by another device last month, the Redmi Watch. Given how smartwatches are gaining a lot of popularity and is all set to further grow in the coming months, the Redmi Watch with its super affordable price tag could turn out to be an attractive option in its price segment. We finally got the Redmi Watch in our China office last week. So this is our quick Redmi Watch review, and we hope we answer most of the questions you have about the new watch. Besides, the Mi Watch Lite may look like the Redmi Watch. Apart from their names and of course the region where they are sold, they also have different features. We are going to highlight the differences and should be able to help you decide which of the two you should purchase. Let's look at their design first. Both watches have nothing different from each other. The Redmi Watch has a simple square 2.5D curved display, similar to the Apple Watch series. You get a single button on the right side, but most of the operations can be performed via the touchscreen. Note that the display is quite small and that there are thick black bars on the top and bottom part of the 1.4-inch 320x320 pixel resolution screen. However, the black background in the interface helps hide these thick bezels. The Redmi Watch is pretty compact with the following dimensions: 41mm by 35mm by 10.9mm. It weighs around 35 grams, so you can wear it all the time, even when sleeping. The back sensors don't protrude much from the body, so the wearing experience is good. The sides of the watch is also polished and curved, so it doesn't feel cheap. The watch comes with an optical heart rate sensor, 6-axis sensor, geomagnetic sensor, and an ambient light sensor. Almost 80% of the features of the Redmi Watch is similar to the Xiaomi Mi Watch, including switching songs, controlling the volume, receiving messages, measuring heart rate, sports tracking, and so on. The key difference between the two watches are sports modes, GPS AI assistant, NFC battery life, and price. The table below shows a spec-by-spec comparison of the two watches. There is a key difference between both watches. The Redmi Watch supports just 7 sports modes, whereas the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite supports all 7 of the Redmi Watch's sports modes and adds 4 more: open water, swimming, trekking, trail running, and cricket. Xiaomi did say that the cricket mode will be added through an OTA upgrade, so out of the box the Mi Watch Lite supports just 10 sports modes. There is another major difference between the two watches. The Redmi Watch doesn't have a built-in GPS, which means if you go for an outdoor run or cycle, you have to connect it to your phone to use GPS. The Mi Watch Lite, on the other hand, has GPS and GLONASS for positioning, so you don't have to connect it to your phone to track your trajectory. The Redmi Watch also has an AI assistant and NFC. The assistant is Xiaomi Xiao Ai, and with the built-in microphone, users can ask it questions, set alarms, and use it to control compatible smart home appliances. It also has NFC for payments. The Mi Watch Lite doesn't have a built-in assistant, which is why there is no microphone. It also doesn't have NFC, so there's no support for contactless payment. Both watches have the same 230 mAh battery, but the Redmi Watch has a lesser battery life, 7 days compared to Mi Watches whose battery life goes up to 9 days on a single charge. The Redmi Watch is officially sold for around $45, but third-party resellers sell it for a bit more. While Xiaomi is yet to reveal the price tag of the Mi Watch Lite, it is already on sale by retailers and can be gotten for $58.90. The Mi Watch Lite definitely has more to offer, at least for international buyers who won't find a use for Redmi Watch's Xiao Ai assistant and NFC payment support. The Mi Watch Lite also has more sport modes, GPS, a better battery life, and supports more languages, but all of these come with a more expensive price tag. Nevertheless, it is the logical choice for any international buyer. On a side note, we believe the Mi Watch Lite may launch in China as a sort of Redmi Watch Pro that has GPS and more sports modes. The reason is the model number, which shows it is clearly a Redmi product that has been rebadged as a Mi product for international markets. So a local release is definitely possible. However, it should come with certain additional features, such as the NFC and the Xiao Ai assistant, and a higher price tag than the standard model. That's it. That's what you should know about the Redmi Watch and the Xiaomi Watch Lite. If you have any questions about these two wearables, please leave your comments down below. We'll find the answer for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the like button if our video is useful for you. This is Kieran from Gizmochina, and we'll see you soon.